Okay, today we discuss bills of material. Bills of material is a complete list of components that tells what is needed to build a motorcycle. Now, for a material bomb, for a stock bomb, we need material and a plant before we can make a bills of material. And we can also allocate multiple plants, multiple materials in one bills of material bomb. And in material bomb, we can have a list of all the material that's required to make one finished good. Over here, it's an example of a motorbike. There are types of bills of material bomb, single level, which has only a single level, which is powertrain and chassis. Multi-level has detailed breakup of components. There are categories like material, equipment, document, info, record, and these all can be categorized and used as bills of material. Bombs have validity periods, and validity, of course, help in maintaining current models and upcoming models. Validity area, again, that is your plant, which is also your valuation area. So how it is used, it can be used for various areas, various uses like production order. And as we have seen, simple BOM is basically, it tells the breakup of components. A variant BOM will tell that same product can be made in different variants, which can be color or other notable changes. Multiple BOMs can be like paints can have different alternatives. The structure is such that the BOM has item, then a sub item, main item, and then the components that are required. The item categories that we have for bills of material are stock item, non-stock, variable size, text item, document, class item. And we can see this in SAP as well. Let's go and check. In SAP, but let's do it later on. It can be used for engineering, plant maintenance, sales distribution, costing, and the BOMs can be compared as well. Okay, components can differ at some levels. The explosion basically tells what quantities will be required at what levels. Multi-level BOMs have breakdown structure of all the components. There is another feature where use list where above is being used at what production level it's being used. And the material that is being used in the BOM, it basically has dependencies also. Mass changes in BOMs is also one feature that we can do. Technical category or technical type BOMs are variant BOMs, multiple BOMs, and simple BOMs. Variant BOMs basically it's change of some features like color features, okay, like casing. These can be a part of variant BOM. Variant BOMs can have several products, several colors, several variants. It can have 99 variants, and each variant will have a different material number. Variant BOM is basically a part of BOM group, where all the materials, all the components are grouped together, all the variants are put together under one plant, under one usage. A variant configuration can have all the list of components, and then it can be used for custom orders. So the dependencies basically are then fetched from maximum BOM and maximum routing, and then a custom BOM and routing are made. Multiple BOMs can be constructed based on based on variants or alternatives. Alternatives, of course, it is with pigment 1, pigment 3. This can be alternate multiple form. Okay. And alternatives can have 1,000 alternatives. This can be used for paint companies, uh, paint manufacturing enterprises. So there is a BOM group for alternatives as well for multiple BOM and under one plant for the one usage. One BOM can be assigned to various plants. So BOM is made independent of plants. Recursiveness is used in pharma where one component is formulated to bring back the raw material from the starting point again, like making a yogurt from milk. That is one example. So creating BOM, you'll see that. Basic data, bills of material, item data, item category. Now these are the item categories. And what are these item categories? Compatible unit, document item, EM structure element class, stock, intra-material, non-stock, variable size, text item. So these are the codes, legends that we have. And over here, where it is required in what areas can it be done, inventory management, text item, variable size item, document item, class item, EM structure level, intra-material. There, these categories can be used while making the BOM. Okay. And how do we make a BOM? That we'll just see. CS01. (162) plant 8842 BOM usage. Now, BOM usage is, we have already seen in the presentation what is a BOM. What is a BOM usage? Can be for production, costing, stability, embedded items, customer management, plant maintenance, let's say production. But we don't have this material in 8842. So we'll search for or we can search for a material from MM60. Double F 14, execute, Control Y, Control C, change number, enter. Block for task, list, form is not allowed. Okay. 167, district tapes, Control Y, Control C. Okay. Hammer tool, component, item category. We've already seen the item categories. Inventory. So now this is bills of material. We need stock item. For that stock item, to make this hammer tools, we need something from the inventory. That can be anything like